Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how to change the spring on the Mark IV. Be aware that the spring is tapered, so there's a wide end and a narrow end. I'll refer to that later. But it's very simple. Remove the C-clip first of all. Pull the pin out and take the old spring out. You'll notice there's a bush here. Inside there are two prongs. Find the wide end and put them either side of the prongs like so. Look for the ridge of the mould right here, and the blade the spring goes between the ridge and the bush. Place the pin back in. Before you put the washer and C-clip on, open and close a couple of times to make sure that the spring's sitting properly. And it really is that simple. There you go.